Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the LSKKJ Helping Hand Soldering. If you've ever had to solder a board, I don't care what size, and you just can't get the part to hang in there nicely or to get the board to stay with being propped up with, whatever you've got at hand, this is something you need to take a look at. So I'm going to tell you 3 things you need to know about this. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I'd appreciate it, and it'd help the channel. This is something, if you've never heard of helping hands, it's not something you may have run across, but it's something that once you've used it, and all it's going to take is a use. At least it did for me, to show me how I've been wasting my time up until now. Thing number 1, this is useful for a variety of projects such as soldering, working with electronics, printed circuit board repair, wiring, jewelry, crafts, and just about anything you're going to want to do with a DIY project. This probably's got a good shot at helping you with that. So take a look at what you see coming in the rest of this video, and I think you'll be very pleased with it. Thing number 2, this is a heavy-duty steel base, which means this thing's not going to be moving around a whole lot, and it's going to allow you to be more focused, do better work, regardless of what you're doing. Thing number 3, it's got rubber sleeves on the clips to help avoid damage to whatever you're trying to hold, whether you're doing soldering or you're working with fine jewelry items. No sense scratching it up. This will help you protect what you're working on and avoid damage that might not be that easy to fix. Thing number 4, and this is a bonus item, minimal assembly is required to get a working tool that will last a long time. I had mine assembled in about 20 seconds. And part of it is I took my time because I wanted to make sure I had all the parts I needed and oriented correctly. So take a look at this one and think about getting one today. I think you're going to be very happy with it. I know have been very pleased with what I have done. I'm working on building some antennas that it's got control boards that I have to get a pretty good grip on because I have to solder them at a certain angle, and this lets me do exactly that. So if you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I'd appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.